At SpaceX's Starbase in Texas, a new era of spaceflight is taking shape, Starship version 3, or V3. Here, on the windswept Gulf Coast, engineers and visionaries are working around the clock, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in rocketry and human exploration. This isn't just another test flight, it's the debut of a machine designed to make humanity multiplanetary. Every bolt, weld, and circuit is crafted with the future in mind, aiming to transform how we reach for the stars. Starship V3 is a complete architectural rethink, driven by lessons from previous flights. It's the result of countless hours of testing, failure, and iteration, each step bringing us closer to a truly reusable spacecraft. The most significant change? Both the Super Heavy booster and Starship upper stage are stretched, carrying much more propellant. This new scale is immediately visible, with the rocket towering higher than ever before. More propellant means more power, more range, and a greater capacity for payloads to the Moon and Mars. It opens the door to larger missions, heavier cargo, and even more ambitious destinations across the solar system. V3's new tank design moves away from common bulkheads to a more robust, separate structure, trading some mass efficiency for reliability and easier manufacturing. This change is crucial for rapid production and long-term durability, ensuring each vehicle can withstand the rigors of repeated spaceflight. The goal, a fully reusable system where every component can fly again and again, slashing the cost of space access. Imagine rockets as reliable as commercial airplanes, ready to launch, land, and relaunch with minimal downtime. V3 is also a testbed for the next-generation Raptor 3 engines, optimized for rapid reusability and quick turnaround. These engines are the heart of Starship's future, designed to fire, land, and fly again with minimal refurbishment. The vision is a rocket that can be refueled and relaunched in hours, like an airliner. This is a radical shift from the days when rockets were single-use, expensive, and slow to prepare for flight. Starship Flight 12 is more than a test. It's a declaration that the era of disposable rockets is ending. Each launch brings us closer to a future where space is open to all, not just a select few. The universe is waiting, and Starship V3 is our ticket to the grand tour. With every innovation, we take another step toward making the impossible possible. The next chapter of space exploration begins now, and the journey is only just getting started. Starbase, on the Texas coast, is more than a rocket factory. It's a living ecosystem of innovation. Here, the boundary between science fiction and reality blurs, as engineers and visionaries work side by side to redefine what's possible in space travel. In this sprawling facility, gigantic stainless steel rings are transformed into rocket sections in a matter of days, not months. The speed and scale of production are unlike anything the aerospace world has seen before. SpaceX's philosophy is simple, yet radical. The factory itself is the product. Rapid iteration isn't just encouraged, it's the norm, with teams constantly refining designs and processes. Multiple Super Heavy boosters are built in parallel, making true mass production a reality. This approach allows for unprecedented launch cadence and flexibility. The goal isn't just to build rockets, it's to create a fleet, a highway to the stars, enabling Mars colonization and a permanent lunar presence for humanity's future. Every upgrade, every tweak aims for one thing: full, rapid reusability. Rockets are designed to fly, land, and fly again, slashing the cost of access to space. The new tank designs in Starship V3 prioritize durability and easy refurbishment, ensuring each vehicle can withstand the rigors of repeated spaceflight. Even the ground systems are evolving at breakneck speed. The towering Mechazilla launch tower not only stacks starships with robotic precision, but will soon catch returning boosters, eliminating the need for heavy landing legs and streamlining turnaround. SpaceX's vertically integrated approach, building nearly everything in-house, lets them innovate faster than anyone else, controlling every detail from design to launch. Starbase is the physical embodiment of a new philosophy: make spaceflight routine, accessible and reliable, just like air travel. The roar of rockets here is the heartbeat of a new space age, echoing across the Texas coast and inspiring a new generation of explorers. Science fiction is becoming reality, one steel ring at a time, as each piece brings us closer to interplanetary travel. The future of space is being built, fast. At Starbase, tomorrow's missions are taking shape today, forging a path to the stars for all of humanity. While SpaceX pushes boundaries, NASA's Artemis program leads humanity's return to the moon. Artemis 2 will send 4 astronauts around the moon, the first crewed mission beyond low Earth orbit since Apollo. The Orion capsule, with its European service module, is the mission's backbone, tested during Artemis 1. Artemis 2 will test life support, navigation, and emergency systems with a human crew. But Artemis faces delays and high costs. The expendable space launch system is expensive and slow to build. NASA's cautious, risk-averse approach contrasts with SpaceX's rapid iteration. Still, Artemis is vital. It's a symbol of international cooperation and aims for a sustainable lunar presence, including the Lunar Gateway. Artemis 2 is a deliberate step toward a permanent human return to another world. The commercial space revolution is here, and SpaceX is leading the charge. Reusable Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets have made launches routine, funding Starship's development. NASA's partnership with SpaceX is pivotal. Artemis 3 will rely on a modified Starship as the lunar lander. This public-private partnership blends NASA's vision with SpaceX's speed and cost-effectiveness. Other companies like Blue Origin and Dynetics are joining the race, driving competition and innovation. The lunar economy is opening to commercial enterprise, from cargo delivery to navigation services. SpaceX's head start in reusability positions it to dominate this new market. The journey back to the moon is now a commercial opportunity, not just a national goal. SpaceX is at the forefront of this new economic frontier. A rocket's heart is its engine, and for Starship, that's the Raptor. This engine is the result of years of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in rocketry. The Raptor is a full-flow stage combustion engine, burning methane and oxygen, efficient, and potentially Mars-producible. This choice of propellant isn't just about performance, it's about building a future where rockets can be refueled on other worlds. Raptor 1 was a marvel, but SpaceX's relentless iteration led to Raptor 2. More powerful, simpler, and easier to build. Each new version brings lessons learned from countless tests and flights, making the engine more reliable and cost-effective. Each Raptor 2 produces over 230 tons of thrust. 33 of them power Super Heavy. This immense power is what makes Starship's ambitious missions possible, from launching satellites to carrying humans to the Moon and Mars. Raptor 3 is already in development, aiming for even more power, efficiency, and robustness. SpaceX is constantly refining the design, seeking breakthroughs that will shape the next generation of space travel. The goal: engines that need no heat shield, simplifying manufacturing and refurbishment. This innovation could dramatically reduce turnaround time between flights, making rapid reusability a reality. SpaceX's drive to improve performance while cutting complexity is key to rapid reusability. Every improvement brings us closer to affordable, routine access to space. The Raptor's evolution brings the dream of a fully reusable Starship closer to reality, paving the way for a new era of exploration and possibility. Looking ahead, Raptor 4 could enable single-stage to orbit, a holy grail of rocketry. This would revolutionize how we reach space, making launches simpler and more efficient than ever before. The Raptor's roar is the sound of the future being built, echoing the ambition to make humanity a multiplanetary species. SpaceX's progress has inspired China's space program to pursue its own reusable, super heavy-lift rocket. China's Long March 9 and 10 designs now echo Starship's architecture, aiming for reusability and methane power. China's achievements, lunar and Mars landings, the Tiangong space station, are impressive, and a moon landing by 2030 is a national priority. But the biggest challenge is engine technology. China's methane engines lag behind SpaceX's Raptor in performance and scale. Mass-producing high-performance engines is a massive hurdle. China's state-led methodical approach lacks the rapid iteration of SpaceX's Starbase. While China will likely develop a Starship-like vehicle, matching SpaceX's reusability and speed will take time. The new space race is about innovation and pace. SpaceX and China are racing to build the next generation of super-heavy rockets, but their approaches couldn't be more different. SpaceX's advantage is speed. Rapid prototyping, testing, and iteration let them learn fast. Their vertically integrated mass production model is designed for a fleet, not just a few rockets. China, with vast resources and national focus, moves methodically, prioritizing reliability and long-term goals. Their steady funding and political will ensure progress, even if it's slower. SpaceX is driven by a vision of making humanity multiplanetary, funded by commercial launches. China's program is about national prestige and strategic goals. the competition accelerates innovation and brings humanity's space future closer. The race is on, and everyone benefits. We're witnessing a paradigm shift in space exploration, led by Starship V3's promise of full reusability. Lower launch costs will transform space from a rare destination to a place we can live and work. Permanent lunar bases, Mars cities, asteroid mining, and giant space observatories are becoming plausible. When launch costs drop, economic and creative possibilities explode. This new era is defined by collaboration and competition. NASA, SpaceX, and China all pushing outward. The stainless steel towers in Texas are monuments to human ingenuity and our drive to explore. The path ahead will have challenges, but the direction is clear. Space is becoming an open frontier. The journey has just begun.